Hi, welcome to my video on how to build quality content for your online course and also make it interactive. This video really is helping you to understand what goes into a good online course and really how to make it interactive. The reason why I wanted to talk about this is because oftentimes online courses are very boring and we're not interested because we just don't have that kind of excitement and motivation and enthusiasm. But we also find it boring because if you think about it, a lot of courses are PowerPoints and they're too long. We have short attention spans. And also we as human beings are naturally excited and stimulated by interactive courses and interactive elements. So thinking about what goes into building quality content for your online course, what do you want to include when you build your online course? Well, before you even think about building the content inside it, you want to first start with the basics and going back to sort of understanding your customer, understanding your market. And the best way to do that is by going deep inside into their heads, getting deep inside and thinking and asking yourself some of these questions. Like, why would anyone buy this course? What am I trying to solve? And what is it that makes my method different or more effective than other courses out there? The reason why this is really important to answer is because you will not be the first one to have a course on weight loss or, healthy eating and healthy recipes. In this day and age, the market is very competitive, and so you want to stand out from the crowd and you want to make yourself really unique and special, even when it seems impossible. And the best way to do that is to look at your competition. Look at what people are doing in your space and think about what can you do that's different? What can you do? What can you offer that's a little bit better? How can you use the feedback that others have given towards existing courses and methods and improve upon that? That gives you leverage and that gives you more weight in terms of selling something that really people will buy. And then last but not least is thinking about the types of content in your course. Going back to the idea that we are humans and we like interaction and we like interactive elements, we want to think about variety. So including audio, different types of video, from animated, whiteboard, or even talking to a camera. Different styles really work with different styles of learners. And despite the fact that you may not have any information about what kind of learners you will have, just think about it this way, that you will always have a variety of students in terms of some who are more visual, some of who are more audio, and some who are more experiential. And so the best that you can do to sort of incorporate variety will definitely help you tailor your course, not necessarily to please everyone, because you can't please everyone, but do your best to accommodate all the different kinds of learners. So that also includes, including PDF worksheets. The idea is, you're giving people homework and you're asking people to and holding them accountable and having them fill that in throughout each lesson as a way to sort of build upon and sort of have proof that they have mastered some of the material, and it helps them see sort of their own learning journey throughout the course. So I hope that helps. If you have any questions, leave a comment, leave a message. Thanks.